Hello, welcome to Codersarts.com. In this video, we are going to learn about regression analysis. What is it? Why do we need regression analysis? So let's start. In a simple words, regression analysis is the statistical technique that helps us to analyze the relationship between two variables, dependent variable and independent variable. This technique can be used to identify trend in the data and to predict future value of the dependent variable. So let's see example of predicting the price of car based on the feature like mileage or how much cc the car has and seats. In this example, the dependent variable and target variable is the price of the car and the independent variable is mileage, car engine cc and passenger seats. We can use historical data of all these features to figure out and how much can a car cost based on its feature like mileage and its cc. Let's see another example of regression analysis. Predicting the sale of ice cream based on the temperature of the day. Here is the temperature is the independent variable, while how much sale of ice cream you make is the dependent variable. To predict the sale of ice cream, we need to collect past data on the sale. Here is the plot that on a graph where x-axis represents the temperature and the y-axis represents sale of ice cream. And this is the regression line through the data points that fit the data. This line helped you predict the amount of sale you can expect on a day with certain temperature value. There are several methods to calculate the best fit like mean absolute error, mean squared error, sum of squared errors. MSE is more popular than MAE because the focus is on the large errors due to squared term. Root mean squared error, relative absolute error, relative squared error. We will discuss in detail in the next video. There are two main types of regression trend analysis: linear regressions and non-linear regression. Linear regression is the simplest form of regression trend analysis. This technique is used when there is a linear relationship between the dependent variable and independent variable. And non-linear regression is more complex form of regression trend analysis. This is used when there is non-linear relationship between the dependent variable and independent variable. Non-linear regression is a form of regression analysis in which data is fed to a model and then expressed as a mathematical function. And simple linear regression relates two variables x and y with a straight line y equals to mx plus b, while non-linear regression relates the two variables in a non-linear like curved relationship. I will explain it in a detail in the next video. So there are two kind of linear regression: simple linear regression and multiple linear regression. In simple linear regression, there are only one variable, independent variable, to predict the outcome. And in multiple linear regression, there are more than one variable, independent variable, to predict the outcome. So that's it for today, guys. We will discuss in detail in the next video. Thank you.